Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to integrate your Discord account with your Roblox profile using the Ro Pro extension. It's a quick and easy process, so let's dive right in. At the beginning of our tutorial, make sure you have your Roblox profile in one tab. In the second tab, search for Ro Pro extension. Once the results appear, then click on the Ro Pro extension. I have already opened. Then it will open, then click on Add to Chrome. I have already added in Chrome. After successfully installing the Ro Pro extension, simply add it on extension bar as I have done. Now, head back to your Roblox profile tab. Look for the Ro Pro extension icon and click on it. This action will bring up a page where you can link your Discord profile. On the Ro Pro extension page, here you'll find a space to add your Discord profile link. Now, open the Discord. Then click on username name. Then copy your profile link. Then again open Roblox. And paste it right here. Once you've pasted your link, hit the save button. This step ensures that your Discord is now linked to your Roblox profile. Now, you may need to reload the page by clicking on Profile. It's a fantastic way to let your friends know how to connect with you outside of the Roblox universe. And there you have it. A quick and straightforward guide on linking your Discord account to your Roblox profile using the Ro Pro extension. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. And I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.